We decided to have it in here. We had no idea what the crowd would be like, but we just figured it was going to be better to do this in here than in the large group room. So maybe next year we'll know to set up some folding chairs. So feel free to come on in and sit down on the floor and make yourself comfortable. This is our 7th grade jazz band, and they have made remarkable progress. You know, if you remember, it wasn't too long ago, you know, even at the beginning of the year, last year in 6th grade, you know, they were maybe doing good, row, row, row your boat. And now they're standing up here like pros, getting up on the microphone and playing their jazz solos. And you've got a lot to be proud of, parents. I know I certainly am. Hearing from Jilly Cook on the xylophone, Danielle Martinez on clarinet, Nathan Kramers on trumpet, Gabby Hyatt on alto sax, Elena Lyons-McAtee on trumpet, Maeve Ward on alto sax, Joey Schnabelin on trumpet. Our next tune we're going to play is, all I have written down is Ronald. What is it? Dinner with Ronald. All right. Dinner with Ronald. You're going to hear from Aaron Romano on trumpet, Lewis Howard on bari sax, Max Hostiger on trumpet, Trent Dickerson on trombone, Joey Schnabelin on trumpet again, and Morgan Mihalski on guitar. My Dinner with Ronald. And I'm not going to tell you what we had. You'll just have to figure that out for yourself.